Hello, I'm Dean, and this is Jake. And today we're going to operantly condition Jake's dog, Lincoln. So Lincoln will retrieve an object and bring it back to Jake. Once he retrieves the object, he will positively reinforce the fetching behavior by giving Lincoln a treat. So therefore, Lincoln's fetching behavior will increase.
Alright, so Lincoln, he's kind of already trained. This is his favorite toy, his favorite squeaky toy. And he'll basically do anything for it. Lincoln, sit. Lincoln, do pop. Lincoln, lay down. Hey, sit, Lincoln. Except he'll let us know. And when he fetches, he'll sit, but as soon as I throw it, he'll go running. And on my whistle, he'll return it. So without whistling, he won't bring it back. So let's just try the first one without whistling. Sit. Lincoln. Sit. As you can tell, it does not bring the toy back. Okay, alright, so now we have a treat for Lincoln for when he brings a treat back. Sit. Bring it back, Lincoln. Good boy, Lincoln. Good boy, take a treat.